Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from SimmonsEssentials. I want to bring you another original design. This is the Sophocles knot. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. I'm going to have it at the belt line as usual. I'm going to come over here, put a dimple in or a pinch, whatever you want to do. I'm going to come back around like this. I'm going to come down like this. So there we have it. Then I'm going to come across here. I'm going to leave it tight. I'm going to go around here and then I'm going to come down. I'm going to leave it tight up to this point, then the rest of it's going to be loose. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come around, come up and over. Okay, so it's going to be loose. And then I'm going to come through like this. Making that pretty loose. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around through this. I'm going to actually fold this in half. And then I'm going to come underneath here like so. And then I'm going to tuck this down here. And I'll hide it. If you can hide it under here, great. If not, just tuck it under here, but I'm going to attempt to hide it here. This is the fun part right here. So let me put my collar down. Let me see what we're working with here. So I'm going to open up this, and this, like that. Then just put that right in there. So the main feature is this thing loops back like that. There you have it, the Sophocles. Again, no neurosalmon friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video.